I brought my salad up for grading. This guy's gonna tell me that my salad is under seasoned. How? How? And I said to him, how? I said, can you please mix it up and then taste it? And then he mixed it up and tasted it, and he's gonna say, oh yes, just to prove my point, it's under seasoned. And he's like, oh, where are you from? I'm like, I'm Jamaican. And he's like, oh yeah, Caribbean people. Yeah, that's Caribbean people. They don't really season their food. I'm like, which Caribbean people is he talking about? Could never be Jamaicans, could never be Jamaican, could never be Jamaican. I'm so mad. Wagwan guys, my name is Nayoka and welcome to my channel. If you're new, please remember to hit that subscription button, join the family, help us to grow, turn on your post notification bell so every time when I drop a new video, you don't have to wonder like, did she post? No, you'll get a notification on that. To my existing subscribers, I want to go and big up on yourself. Thank you so much for treading the journey with me. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Now I'm at school and I just realized that I just came from the washroom because I went to the washroom to like fix my hair and all of that. But when I was in the washroom, two girls came inside, right? And they used the washroom like they literally went into one of the stalls and used the washroom, and they came out without washing their hands. So you have people out here who are using the washroom, public washroom at that, and not washing their hands. So you guys have to be careful when you're out there. Don't touch unnecessary surfaces that you don't have to. You see this place that I'm in right now, this table that I'm sitting around, I made sure they have sanitizer. Let me show you. You see that thing on the wall? Those are sanitizing wipes. And I take about 3 to 4 of them and I wipe off the table before I sit down because I don't know what these people are doing. You have people going to the washroom and not washing their hands. Like they just literally go in the washroom, come out the stall and just head through the door. They don't even stop to wash their hands. It's crazy out here. Crazy out here. Anyway guys, so today is a beautiful day so far. I am feeling fabulous, way better than yesterday. I have a few things that I need to do today. First, I need to edit the video from yesterday, and I need to post that video. Another thing is I have a lab class this morning in the next few hours, so I need to get my work plan done for that lab class. So those are the two priorities today. First things first, I'm going to edit the video because if I don't edit the video, I won't have time to edit again because my day is just gonna do like this. So this is the time when I get to edit. Perfect. I got my coffee this morning. Perfect. So I put my coffee in here because it will keep my coffee colder for longer, and I want my coffee to stay cold. So you see, last year I usually post the video even 10 o'clock 11 o'clock p.m. but this year I want to make sure I keep the videos early, so as soon as you wake up in the morning you have something to watch, or as soon as you get a lunch break you have something to watch, or as soon as you come home from work you have something to watch. I'll update you guys when I'm done editing this video. All right, I'm super productive today. I'm super happy. Right now I just finished editing the video, I finished doing my work plan, and I'm heading to class right now. I'm still 1 hour early to my class, but I like to be early. I like to go to my class super duper early. So because I know I have a long day today, I packed extra snacks. So I got yogurt, I got my mixed nuts, and I got my pineapple and my work plan. My knife kit all intact. What I really love about this knife kit is it gives me a lot of space to add everything in. So we are ready to go. So I'm all changed up in my uniform. This uniform is a little bit small because this was from 4 years ago or 5 years ago when I came to Humber. So let's see, I got a tiny bit bigger. I was very skinny. I realized like that there's some homeless people in the school. Like how I came to that conclusion is every single morning you see them. Like every morning when I come early, I see them sleeping or not really disturbing anybody, but they are not students, right? And all you know is because when you sign into the computers, you are only able to sign into the computer if you're a student. You have to have a student number in order to sign into the computers. And I realized they have their own laptops or they don't have anything at all and they have a bunch of bags. I'm like, oh, so it looks like they just come, act like students, sit down and just chill, I guess. But I see them every day and it's always the same people every day. I'm like, I know this for sure, this person is not a student. But anyway, I could be wrong. I could be wrong. But I just know they have a look. They have that look. Especially when you have a bunch of luggage. When you have a lot of stuff, you know. But anyway, to each their own, right? Look at Hannah, she texting me, where you at? Bro, first of all, let me not even say. I know Hannah watched my video, so she must be laughing now when she sees this. I'm right here. See, I'm dressed. I'm walking to class. That's where I'm at. So she didn't come to school yesterday or the day before. No, she don't usually come to school for theory because she lives far away. She lives so far away, so it doesn't make sense. So many kilometers for what? When you can do it online. Anyway, I'm just heading to class. I'm super early. I'm 30 minutes early for class, but I know that the chefs of the day will not come to class early. So I'm just going to class to help, as always. As always. Every time when I go to class, they're always looking at me like, oh, Nayoka, what to do? I'm like, bro, you're the chef of the day. Oh, if you don't know what chef of the day is when one or a few students get to be in charge of the class. But when they're in charge, it's like they don't want to be in charge. Like, and they want to give me the work. And I'm like, it's your job. Bro, I'm just helping because I like to help. So I'm running to class now. I'm not expecting anybody to be there. So let's see. See? Class is, oh, you're here. You're the only one? Only one and you're not chef of the day, right? You are? Oh, okay. I was wrong. One person here, and she's chef of the day. I'm gonna help you. So we have a cart full of stuff. So I'm just helping to get all this stuff together. So guys, just finished my first class. Ooh, I look so ruggedy. Just finished my first class and I just brought the garbage out because I'm on garbage today. Every day or every class we have a duty roster, and every week you have a different duty. So it could be garbage, it could be sweep the floors, it could be clean the dish area, could be whatever. But every week it's different. Now, anyway, I'm on garbage. I just brought out the garbage and going back to class, but we're basically done. Yeah, just wanted to give you a quick check-in, and I have something to say about my salad. Just wait. So imagine just now, right? I made salads, like potato salad, but not like our Jamaican potato salad with mayo and whatever. Just potato salad, you know, foreign people something. I have a picture. I'm gonna post pictures of how the salad is. Anyway, this guy's gonna tell me that I was so proud of my salads. I brought my salads up. Very proud, guys, very proud. I tasted it. It tasted really good. Everything was fine. I brought my salad up for grading. This guy's gonna tell me that my salad is underseasoned. How how? And I said to him, how? I said, can you please mix it up and then taste it? And then he mixed it up and tasted it, and he's gonna say, oh yes, just to prove my point, it's under seasoned. And he's like, oh, where are you from? I'm like, I'm Jamaican. And he's like, oh yeah, Caribbean people. Yeah, that's Caribbean people. They don't really season their food. I'm like, which Caribbean people is he talking about? Could never be Jamaicans, could never be Jamaican, could never be Jamaican. I'm so mad. And I've said to him, no, hell no. I don't know what Jamaican you're talking about, but Jamaicans, we season our food too much. I would say we season our food too much. Because everybody always complain, oh, this is too spicy, or oh, this is seasoned too much, blah, 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 blah. How? Then this guy's gonna pick up a handful of salt and sprinkle all over my salad, mash up my salad, talking about, oh, taste it now, it's salty and nice. How? I'm so mad. So you're gonna tell me that you want to give the people them high pressure, you want to give the people them pressure by adding so much salt in the damn season. I prefer to have my food less seasoned than have it over seasoned, because I can't take salt out of it. I can put salt, but I cannot take it out though. Then he's gonna talk about, oh, in the restaurant world. First of all, I've been working in the restaurant for a while, and none of the salads that I ever tasted in any of the restaurant that I worked in never taste salty like that. Never, ever, 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 ever. If I was a guest and I get that salad that I tasted today, I would send it back and tell them that it's too salty for me. So anyways, he said Caribbean people don't season food. I don't know where he get that from. I don't know where this guy get that from. I don't know which Caribbean people he met. I'm so mad. I'm so mad. I had to put it in this vlog because I'm very mad. And you guys, Caribbean people, tell me what you think about that. Tell me what you think about that, guys. Because I'm so mad. I feel like this guy's racist, to be honest. That's why he's telling me that. But he cannot say black, right? That's why he's like, oh, Caribbean. Because other people in my class who are not Caribbean, he told them, with my skin color, he told them also that, oh, your food is under seasoned. So it's a black people thing or what? If you just say what you have to say straight up. Don't hide behind talking about Caribbean. That's Hannah, guys. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna cool off because I have another class right now. I'm gonna cool off because I know Hannah's gonna be like, okay, Erica, relax. I wish Hannah, I wish you had tasted the damn thing. But because Hannah is sick, she was not able to taste the food. And I really wanted her to taste it to tell me what she think about it. Anyway, I'm gonna cool off and I'll check you guys later, okay? I have a class in less than 30 minutes and I have to cool off.
That's speed one. What did I say? Speed one. Speed one. Okay. Now, 2, flip it over. Now 5 becomes 2. Okay. Now, you're always going to have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So, 1 becomes 3, right? Like that. Then 2 over 5 becomes 2. Okay? So let's do this again. So 1 becomes 3, 2, twist, 5 becomes 2. You can even talk to yourself, okay? Okay? So 1 becomes 3, twist the 2 into 3, 5 becomes 2. Okay? 1 becomes 3, 2 into 3, twist, 5 becomes 2. Okay? Then 1 becomes 3, you twist the 2 into 3, 5 becomes 2. Okay? Okay, so 1 becomes 3, over here, the 5 becomes 2, okay? 5 becomes 2. Okay, then at this little part, okay, just kind of pinch it, okay? Okay. Now, your second one's gonna be exactly the same, but for your second one, you can roll it a little bit longer, okay?
Oh God, I'm so tired and hot. Just a few more minutes left in class. Camera boss decided that we're going to do some farming. So every year, well, we usually would start planting already still, but I don't know what's going on this year. So camera boss said we're gonna do carrots, we have beetroot, We have lettuce. We have asparagus. What else we have? I'm gonna turn it around and show you. So we have okra. All this string bean. So we have, oh, last year the string bean came so much. We had so much string bean last year. Cantaloupe, well, money on it. What do you call it? Melon, cantaloupe, we call it still this. Cucumber. So we have a bunch of stuff to plant. Some things he already have them in some. We have corn. Oh my God! Last year they we call it the birds eat out all of the corn. I don't think it was a bird. I think it was like the squirrel. The squirrel them eat out all the corn that we planted last year. So by the time we come out, all of the corn them gone. So we didn't really get any corn. We got a lot of string bean, a lot of tomatoes, a lot of bok choy, a lot of callaloo from last year. So, you know, it's nice when you get to grow your little farm and see everything growing. Yeah. My two, oh, you get stuff. Camera boss just went to the neighbor to get, the neighbor give us these stuff, lend us these stuff. A hoe, and a fork. Are you a bicycle this?
Yeah.
It's a small. Camera boss have bicycle. Bicycle on a backyard. So yeah, this is the backyard. Can you believe this backyard was cut like a few days ago? Literally. I don't even think a week. So this is the little area that we used to farm. Oh shit. This is the area that we used to farm. So we're trying to get rid of all these wild grass and then plant it. If you ever see the neighbor yard, I'm showing you the neighbor. See, my neighbor have her stuff well planted and watered and nice. Yeah. Only she don't have nothing else to do. So that's why her yard can look like that. And these are apple tree. These are apple. See the little apple growing already? Yeah, those are apple tree. This is another apple tree. Hi guys, I was not cut out for this life at all. Right now I just want to go in because this is taking forever to. This is taking forever, but it's working, but it's taking forever. So I'm gonna use the lawnmower because who got time for this? Nobody. Like back in the days. How you work this?
You have to plug it in first because it's electrical, not gas.
Which one? The one there?
Yeah.
The red one?
Yeah, plug the yellow one first.
I'll put me alone, then sit me and I do because I'm afraid this all shock me.
It's not gonna shock you.
Alright, so this one.
You wanna tie it on the side so it doesn't loose up.
We're here?
Yeah. Anyway. Tie it.
Like that?
That can work. No. You have to start it.
Open?
Yeah.
And this up, you say?
Yeah.
While I'm
Yeah,
open?
you have to keep that one open.
So it stop.
Because you have to keep the red one open. Yes.
I have to hold it.
You have to hold it.
Guys, never used one of this in my life. First time.
Okay.
First time, guys.
Oh, I have a plant down here. Don't kill this plant. Don't kill this plant.
Okay. Where's the kill that plant first?
No, don't kill that plant. There's nothing to bite you. Why are you jumping? Where's the plant I told you not to kill? Oh my God. Where's the plant I told you not to kill?
Oh my gosh, I got so carried away.
Where's my plant?
I got so carried away.
Oh my
Oh, you
God.
couldn't tell me, you couldn't stop me? Jesus Christ.
Look at it.
Oh my, okay, it's still good then.
What good?
Because the root there.
It's not like that.
Oh
It's
my
not good
God,
anymore.
it was not intentional. It was not intentional, seriously. I just got in the mood like I was locked in, like I was just locked
Locked
in.
in. Okay.
I'm sorry.
Okay, lock back in.
Yo, I'm so sorry, man.
It's not that serious.
We're done. We're done.
Pardon?
You got this from here?
We're gonna get this. Not me alone got it. We got this. Going forward. It was you alone, now it's us.
No, sir. I never cut out for them work yet. What should I do now?
Hold it.
One, yeah, that's stubborn.
Hold it. Yeah.
Perfect. One chop on it now.
Okay, so now we're gonna decide how big we want the farm, the garden to be.
Oh, we can expand it.
Yeah.
We can expand it, yes.
So,
You see over Oli?
it's beautiful.
We just show them over Oli.
So when we clean it up, I think we should get some topsoil.
Oh. When that?
We can go to Walmart and buy,
Today?
yeah, buy a bag or two.
I have work. I have school work.
Yeah, I know.
If this was up to me alone, look how much work Camera Boss do in less than less than 15 minutes. Watch out. Foot. Only a Jamaican. Only a Jamaican. Only Jamaica will understand what I'm saying right now. Only a Jamaican will be doing farming in Clarks. How? How? Let me know how. Yeah, man. Camera Boss and mats up the thing. We are expanding the farm a little bit. So we are doing it from that board to all the way down here. And then every year we can add on until we reach the entire thing like Oli. Guys, I haven't worked this hard in a long time. Only person can really draw me out like this is Camera Boss. That's it. That's it. So I've done a lot of hard work today. I'm done for the night. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm sweaty. I want to take a shower. So let me show you what we did. We're going to pause for today. Maybe continue tomorrow or the next day. But this is what I got. So we expanded it a little bit more, a little wider. So we're going to plant from here to there. So we just dig it up. And then we're going to buy fresh soil. What do you call it? Topsoil. We're going to buy topsoil to like top it off and then plant. But really though, we should have started planting already. We should have started started planting from May. But I don't know why we didn't plant. Maybe something happened and we didn't remember. But we should have started planting from May. But you know, better late than never. They always say the best time to plant a tree was 10 years ago. And then the second best time is now. So better late than never. So by next week we should be up and running and things start grow. We always get good stuff from the farm, so I'm expecting great results this year. So yeah, good job Camera Boss. Good job. Yeah, we did a good job today. I'm not cut out for this life. Not cut out for this life at all. But I gotta help when I can help. Okay. Yeah, I'll update you guys on the farm. If you're into farming, perfect time to subscribe. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any tips on the farm, you can give us tips on how we can get a better farm. Whoa, it looks so good from out here. It looks really good from out here. Oh, you're gonna cut it again? Camera Boss is gonna cut the lawn. But if you have any tips, you can give us some tips. If you like farming, remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. All right, comment. What should we comment today? Nayoka's birthday countdown. All right, comment that if you don't know what to comment, and I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye.